Alright guys, it's Frankie. I'm back with another video for you guys. So as you guys could tell with that short clip intro, we got some new rims now. These are some aodhan, I think DSO7s or DSO8s. Gold rivets, all blacked out. I got some Hankook sport tires. What are they? 305s, 30s by 19s. I went a little shorter. The front ones are by 20s. These are 19s. I wanted that thick meat look and the wideness. I mean, check that fitment out. This side's kind of crooked. I need to fix that. I need to get an alignment. This side's literally perfect. Check that out, guys. That's literally like aligned with the fender, and there's no rubbing, no issues. Freaking the brake caliper and the rotors pop. Like, oh, I'm so in love with it. Literally the back is almost complete. We gotta add a little bit of details to it. I finally got a banner that says Dark Rise, my logo. Gonna put it and install it right down here after I buff the car. Right now we're gonna clay bar it, and then just for safety measures, we're gonna install a fire extinguisher. Ran me about $18. It's attachable to vehicles. So now we're just gonna clay bar the car, only the rear bumper, and then we're gonna maybe buff it and then install the logo right down here. Let's get to it. We're gonna start. I'm not gonna buff the rear bumper because honestly, you take a look at it, there's no scratches, there's no imperfections except for minor ones. And I'm honestly too lazy. This is plastic, so I'm only gonna buff the parts that are metal because the plastic paint versus the regular paint is honestly different. So as of now, we're gonna install the banner onto my rear bumper. So we're gonna install the decal now. We're gonna use some isopropyl alcohol. That way I could get any of the old residue from the soapy water off, and that way I could install the decal. Best tip I have, that way the decal lasts the longest. Come over here, I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. I did that to my dark RSC Instagram decal, but as for this one, it could be the quality of the sticker of the boosted happiness, but I didn't use alcohol underneath, and therefore it's starting to fade off, but it could just be the quality of the sticker. So now I'm gonna rub the area with alcohol, in which it's gonna overlay the sticker. Alright guys, so we ordered the decal from SPNYWOOSH. I don't even know, what is it? What would you say? SPNYWOOSH?
SPNYWOOSH?
SPNYWOOSH, yeah, there you go. I mean, they're cool. They gave me a freaking Sour Patch Kid. I'm gonna eat that right now while I install the decal. That's for the decal. Banner. Let's try to take it out without damaging it. Alright. They gave us two SPNYWOOSH decals, and let's see how the logo looks. Dark Rise. What you guys think?
Can't even see it.
You can't see
barely.
it, huh? Dark Rise. Honestly, I like it. They literally listened to what I said. I wanted it 26 by, I think this is 5.5, and they literally got it down. That's literally perfect. Alright guys, what do you guys think of the new logo? Keep it or kill it? I fucking love it, honestly. I'm trying to represent my YouTube, trying to make it grow. Sorry if I haven't been like so active lately. I've just been going back to work and I'm working full time. Now it's time to install a fire extinguisher. You guys are probably like, why the heck does he need a fire extinguisher? He doesn't even track it or race it or anything. The plan actually is to track the car. I'm getting it set up. I already got my rear side finished. I need to do my front wheels. I already ordered the new rims. I'm keeping the stock, well not the stock, but the original ones I've had on in the front for now until I get my new rims. That way I don't have to run big ass 2-inch spacers no more. On this side, if you guys are wondering, it's a 15 offset, but I'm still running a 1-inch spacer instead of the 2.75 inch spacer. But I love this side. This one's complete, ready for the track. In the rear, I need to get an alignment done. As for the front, new rims. I got the rear bumper. I'm gonna lift it just a little bit so it's ready for the track. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the 1320 video of the Audi RS3 that caught on fire. That scared the living shit out of me. Right now I'm worried that a brake line is gonna freaking crack or something and then my car's gonna go on fire, and that's pretty much it. You know, the insurance is not gonna cover me for that. They're gonna use a modification, you know, excuse or something. So I wanna install a fire extinguisher. I ordered 2 for good measure. But this one's pretty big, so I'm not gonna carry that one. It's pretty heavy, it's like 20 pounds. So I'm gonna install that red one now. Probably somewhere right in there. I was gonna do it on the trunk right here so it could look cool. But it's too heavy. The trunk slams already as it is with the wing that I have with the duckbill. So I'll find a spot and then I'm gonna install it. Fire extinguisher is complete, installed. It's gonna vibrate. We'll see if it falls off. As for now, I'm gonna keep it like that. See how long it lasts. Alright you guys, it's Frankie. That's gonna be it for today's video. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make sure to install the methanol injection kit, in which I already have. And I'll do a how-to demonstration on how to do it as well. So make sure you guys get me 100 likes, or else I'll just install it and not do a video on it, because honestly that is a headache to record and install. I don't know how people do it. It's honestly tougher than you think, and it's helpful when you have another camera person. I had my girlfriend for today and she helped me, so it made it much more easier for me, but it's difficult with this weather and the heat. So you guys have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next video, okay? Peace.